Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change phone number on iCloud. So let's dive into the video right away. Go and tap Open Settings from your iOS device, and inside your settings menu, scroll down and tap on Messages. Right next to Send and Receive, tap on Send and Receive, and then under You can receive messages to and reply from at the top, uncheck your phone number and tap on Remove. Make sure that you've selected your email address. Now get back to your settings menu and tap on your name at the top. Tap on Name Phone Numbers and Email option, and then tap on Edit right next to email and phone numbers. Now select Add email or phone number and then tap on Add a phone number. Go ahead and erase your current phone number displayed on the screen and type in a new phone number you would like to change to, and tap Next at the top right. Now you'll receive a verification code sent to your new number. Once you receive it, type it in. And then, after you are done verifying your new phone number, you will be able to change to a new phone number. So that is how you can easily change your phone number associated with your Apple ID and iCloud. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.